Okay, so this is going to be video 1, and I'm going to try and keep these videos short, and they'll just do like one thing per video. And this one's going to be downloading Visual Studio Code and installing it on a Windows machine. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so all you need to do is open up your web browser and just type in Visual Studio. And if you don't put code, if you just put download, this could cause confusion, as I just realized. If you go here, it takes you to the Microsoft Suite, where it's got all sorts of different things in relation to their management studio and stuff like that. So yeah, just don't do that if you're just wanting code. Just make sure you add code to the download, and it will just take you to a dedicated download screen here now, which should look something like this. And then you can just download it for whatever you want. So I want it for Windows 11, and then it'll just automatically start the download. It shouldn't take too long to get that. So there we go, we've got the exe file now, the executable. I'm just going to click on that. So I can get rid of the website now. Just accept the agreements. And it's just going to store it here. If you notice the path, it's storing it in my local. So that's not where the program is going to be stored, but like the things like the setup for Visual Studio Code is going to be there on my local path. It's quite common with these sorts of things. Yeah, so this is fine. Now this is the most important bit here. Just listen to one thing in the video, is tick these boxes here. And what this will do is will enable you to right click on a project and open it up in Visual Studio Code. And I'll explain the reasons why that's really important later. So just make sure you click on those, and it will just make life a lot easier in the future. And then just click install. Finish and launch Visual Studio. That sounds good to me. And here we are. We've got our first IDE on the machine, ready to get started. And that's it. That's got Visual Studio Code installed.